16 August 2018. This is the first time this year I ride a BMW. Kind of busy with other things, you know. So here we are in Limerick, Maine. Where my buddy Dave has asked me to take his recently acquired R1150RT for a ride. Let's go. Nah, I'm not driving. Well, let's go. This one there's no test ride for this one yet. I don't know if it's in the back of the driveway. Well, that settles that. I guess it needs some of my attention. Could this be the throttle body sinking video that everyone's been requesting for the last many years? Could it be? Could it be? Could it be? Is there a better opportunity? We'll see.